Every Kia owner has sat through the same delivery experience. The salesperson points at the touchscreen, shows you how the heated seats work, and sends you on your way in under 10 minutes. What they never cover is the stuff that actually saves you money. The features, settings, and built-in capabilities that replace services the dealership would otherwise charge you for, prevent repairs that catch owners off guard, and give you control over your vehicle's health that most owners never know they have. Today, that changes. These are the hidden Kia features and built-in capabilities that save real money. Some of them hundreds of dollars per year, some of them even more. All of them already in your vehicle right now. Whether you drive a Sportage, Telluride, Sorento, Seltos, K5, Nero, Carnival, or EV6. Let's get into it. Feature number 1, the maintenance interval override that prevents unnecessary services. Most Kia owners take their vehicle in for service when a dealer tells them to, either through a mailed reminder, a sticker on the windshield, or a notification through the Kia Connect app. And most of the time, those reminders are timed to generate revenue rather than reflect what your specific vehicle actually needs based on how you drive it. Your Kia has a built-in service interval tracking system in the instrument cluster that can be customized to reflect your actual driving conditions rather than a generic calendar-based schedule. On most current Kia models, go into the instrument cluster settings using the steering wheel controls, find the service interval or maintenance section, and you'll find the ability to adjust the oil change interval based on your actual driving pattern. Short city trips that require more frequent changes, or predominantly highway driving that justifies the full extended interval. If you need to modify your maintenance interval and don't have the option to initially do it, hold the OK button down for 10 seconds. Understanding the correct interval for your specific driving conditions rather than the dealer's suggested interval prevents both over-servicing, paying for oil changes your engine does not yet need, and under-servicing, going too long based on a generic interval that does not account for your actual conditions. Over a year of ownership, the difference between an informed service schedule and a dealer-driven one can represent several $100s. Feature number 2, the tire pressure system that prevents expensive drivetrain damage. Most Kia owners know their vehicle has a tire pressure monitoring system, the warning light that illuminates when a tire is significantly low. What most owners do not know is that using the TPMS as their only tire pressure management tool is leaving a significant gap between when the light comes on and when the damage to their tires, fuel economy, and on all-wheel drive models, their drivetrain has already been accumulating. The TPMS warning light in your Kia illuminates when tire pressure drops approximately 25% below the recommended specification, meaning by the time you see the light, your tires have been significantly underinflated for long enough to have already cost you measurable fuel economy and tire life. On Kia all-wheel drive models, the underinflation may have already been generating phantom slip signals in the all-wheel drive coupling that cause it to work unnecessarily and accumulate wear. Your Kia's instrument cluster displays individual tire pressures in real time through the tire pressure monitoring display, accessible in most models through the trip computer or the vehicle information menu on the cluster. Enabling this display as part of your regular cluster information rotation gives you ongoing visibility into all 4 tire pressures without any additional equipment. Check them against the door jamb specification monthly. On all-wheel drive, Kia models keep all 4 tires within 1 to 2 psi of each other as well as at the correct specification. This 10-second monthly habit saves tire replacement costs, fuel economy losses, and all-wheel drive service costs that add up significantly over years of ownership. Feature number 3, the over-the-air update system that fixes problems for free. Most current Kia models, including the Sportage, Sorento, Telluride, K5, EV6, and EV9, are capable of receiving over-the-air software updates delivered directly to the vehicle through a Wi-Fi connection. These updates are free. They require no dealer visit, and they have in documented cases fixed problems that owners were preparing to pay diagnostic fees to address. Kia has used over-the-air updates to address known shift quality issues, infotainment system glitches, driver assistance calibration improvements, and on electrified models, improvements to battery management and charging efficiency. Owners who have never connected their Kia to a Wi-Fi network are potentially driving vehicles with issues that Kia has already identified, already fixed, and already delivered the fix for. And the fix is sitting on a server waiting for the vehicle to connect long enough to download it. To check, connect your Kia to a home Wi-Fi network through the infotainment settings menu. Navigate to the system information or software update section. Available updates will be listed with their content described. Some install automatically during a parked overnight period. Others require manual approval. Before you pay a diagnostic fee for any infotainment glitch, any driver assistance system behavior that seems off, or any shift quality issue in a recent model year Kia, connect to Wi-Fi and check for updates first. This takes 5 minutes and costs nothing. Feature number 4, the 8VAC auto volume reduction that saves you from missed turns. When the HVAC fan is at or near maximum speed, it will drop down to a lower and quieter speed when navigation instructions come on. This applies to both the Kia navigation system and Apple Maps and Google Maps. The same auto mute behavior triggers on phone calls. This feature is not about saving money directly. It is about preventing the missed turns, wrong exits, and GPS recalculations that happen when you cannot hear navigation instructions over a loud HVAC fan. Every driver who has missed a highway exit because the air conditioning drowned out the navigation voice knows exactly how expensive that mistake can be in time, fuel, and occasionally in tolls and parking. The system is automatic on all Kia models that have it. You do not need to activate anything, but knowing it exists changes how you use your climate system. On a long highway drive in summer with the AC running near maximum, you can trust that your navigation instructions will be audible when they matter rather than reaching for the fan control every time a turn approaches. Test it on your next drive. Run the fan at maximum and wait for a navigation prompt. The reduction happens seamlessly and the fan returns to maximum the moment the instruction finishes. Feature number 5, the remote climate feature that extends EV range for free. This one specifically applies to owners of Kia's electrified models, the EV6, EV9, Niro EV, Sportage PHEV, and Sorento PHEV. And it is the feature that most electrified Kia owners are leaving the most real-world value on the table by not using. Running your electrified Kia's climate system while the vehicle is still plugged in uses grid power rather than battery power. This sounds obvious when stated directly, but the majority of electrified Kia owners do not use the scheduled climate feature that makes this automatic, meaning they are leaving home every morning with a depleted battery from warming or cooling the cabin during the drive, rather than leaving with a full charge and a preconditioned cabin. Through the Kia Connect app, set up a scheduled departure climate event time 15 minutes before your typical morning departure. Target cabin temperature, seat heater settings, and defroster, all configured once and running automatically every morning while the vehicle is still on grid power. The vehicle reaches your preferred cabin temperature before you get in. The battery is full, and the range reduction that comes from conditioning a cold or hot cabin during the first miles of every drive is eliminated entirely. For EV6 and EV9 owners in climates with significant temperature extremes, this single configured automation can add 15 to 20 real-world miles of effective daily range during the coldest and hottest months of the year, at zero additional cost beyond the electricity used while plugged in. Feature number 6, the battery cooling filter that prevents a multi-$1,000 replacement. This one is for every Kia hybrid and plug-in hybrid owner, and it is the hidden maintenance item that most dealers never mention. Most owners' manuals bury in the appendix, and most owners discover only after their hybrid battery has already been running warm for tens of thousands of miles. Your Kia Hybrid's high-voltage battery pack is cooled by a dedicated fan that draws air from inside the cabin through an inlet, typically located in the rear passenger area, behind a rear seat, or in the trunk depending on your specific model. That inlet has a filter. That filter accumulates dust, pet hair, carpet fibers, and debris over time. A partially blocked filter means the battery cooling system cannot maintain the battery within its optimal temperature range during demanding driving and charging. The battery runs warmer than designed. Chemical aging inside the cells accelerates. Capacity decreases faster than it should. A hybrid battery replacement on a Kia ranges from several $1,000s to well over $10,000 depending on the model, even accounting for Kia's warranty coverage that protects many owners through the first 10 years. The battery cooling filter costs a few dollars to replace and takes 5 minutes to access on most Kia hybrid models. Check your owner's manual for its specific location on your vehicle. Clean it with compressed air or replace it every 15,000 miles. This is the single most impactful 5-minute maintenance item available to any Kia hybrid owner and the one most consistently left undone. Feature number 7. The seat memory system that stores more than most owners know. The driver memory seat buttons also store the side view mirror position. Most Kia owners who have the memory seat feature know it saves their seat position. What a significant number of them have never discovered is that the memory button saves a complete driver profile, not just the seat. Power Kia. On Kia models with the available memory seat system, the Telluride, Sportage, Sorento, and others on upper trim levels, the memory button saves the seat position, the lumbar setting, both side mirror positions, the steering wheel position on models with power tilt and telescope, and in some configurations, the climate control preferences and infotainment settings. All of it saved to a single button press. All of it recalled with a single button press. For households where two drivers with significantly different builds share the same Kaya, the memory system eliminates the daily ritual of readjusting every contact point in the vehicle. But the savings it provides go beyond convenience. The mirror and seat position accuracy that the memory system delivers is more consistent than manual adjustment, which means the mirrors are always in the correct position for that specific driver rather than approximately correct. Correctly positioned mirrors reduce the blind spot risk that comes from mirrors that are slightly off from their optimal position. Set up your memory profile today if you have not already. With the vehicle in park, adjust every seat, mirror, steering wheel, and climate setting to your exact preference. Then press and hold your assigned memory button until you hear a confirmation chime. From that point forward, one press restores everything simultaneously. Feature number 8, the reverse mirror tilt that saves wheels and curbs. When shifting to reverse, the side mirrors will tilt down to give you a better view of the curb and parking lines as you park. This only works if the mirror adjustment toggle switch is on, meaning either the left or right mirror is currently selected. If set to the center position, it will not activate. Power Kia. This feature is available on most current Kia models with power mirrors, and it is one of the most consistently overlooked parking assists built into the vehicle. Overlooked primarily because its activation requirement is not obvious and most owners have never had it explained. The practical value is significant. Seeing the curb line and the rear wheel's proximity to it directly in the side mirror while reversing into a parallel parking space or a tight spot eliminates the guesswork that leads to scuffed alloy wheels and curb rash. Alloy wheel repair on a Kia runs $75 to $150 per wheel depending on severity. The mirror tilt feature that prevents the contact costs nothing to use and is already in your vehicle. Verify that your mirror toggle switch is set to either left or right, rather than the center position before you put the vehicle in reverse. Make this a habit every time you park. Toggle to the driver mirror, shift to reverse, and use the tilted view to position the vehicle accurately. Once you start using it consistently, the number of close calls and actual wheel contacts drops to 0. Feature number 9, the free roadside assistance. Most owners don't know they have. This is the feature that saves money not by improving how the car works, but by eliminating an expense that most Kia owners are paying for unnecessarily through their insurance or through a separate roadside assistance subscription. Every new Kia comes with 5 years of complimentary roadside assistance coverage through Kia's own program, covering flat tires, dead batteries, lockouts, fuel delivery, and towing within a specified distance. This coverage is active from the day the vehicle is purchased and requires no activation, no registration, and no monthly fee. It is included in the purchase price. A significant number of Kia owners are paying for AAA memberships, insurance add on roadside coverage, or separate roadside assistance apps without knowing they already have equivalent coverage through Kia. The average AA basic membership costs approximately $70 per year. Over a 5-year ownership period, that represents $350 in potentially unnecessary expense for an owner who's already covered. Save the Kia roadside assistance number. It is in your owner's manual and in the Kia Connect app. And verify your coverage status through the Kia Connect app or by calling Kia customer service. If your vehicle is within its 5-year coverage window and you're paying for duplicate roadside coverage elsewhere, cancel the duplicate and keep the money. Feature number 10, the Kia Connect Vehicle Health Report that replaces paid diagnostic checks. Last one. And this is the feature that most directly replaces a service that dealerships charge money for on a routine basis. The Kia Connect app on vehicles with an active subscription provides a vehicle health report that accesses your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system remotely and delivers a summary of current fault codes, system status, and flagged items directly to your smartphone. The report is generated automatically on a schedule or on demand with a single tap in the app. Most dealerships charge a diagnostic fee, typically $100 to $150. Every time a check engine light or warning light prompts an owner to bring the vehicle in for assessment. The Kia Connect Vehicle Health Report delivers a version of that same information directly to your phone before you ever need to schedule an appointment. Knowing whether a check engine light is a minor emission sensor fault or something more serious allows you to make an informed decision about the urgency of the service rather than paying a diagnostic fee just to find out the issue is non-critical. For Kia owners whose vehicles are within the 7-year Kia Connect service window, use the Vehicle Health Report proactively. Run it monthly as part of your regular vehicle check routine. Address anything it flags promptly. And the next time a warning light appears, run the report before scheduling any paid diagnostic service. The information it provides may save you the diagnostic fee entirely. 10 features. 10 ways your Kia is already working to save you money that the dealership never explained. The maintenance interval control that prevents unnecessary services. The tire pressure display that protects your drivetrain. The over-the-air updates that fix problems for free. The HVAC auto volume that saves you from missed turns. The scheduled climate that extends EV range at no cost. The battery cooling filter that protects a multi-$1,000 component. The memory seat system that stores more than most owners know. The reverse mirror tilt that protects your wheels. The free roadside assistance that most owners are paying to duplicate. And the vehicle health report that replaces paid diagnostic checks. All of it already in your Kia. All of it already paid for. All of it sitting there waiting for the owner who knows it exists. Save this video. Share it with every Kia owner you know. Drop a comment below telling us which feature is saving you the most money. Subscribe for more Kia tips, money-saving guides, and everything the dealership hopes you never figure out. New video every week. We will see you in the next one.